Also, the refrigerator, so I have it only on 3 because afterwards when it was reset to 5, it froze everything and ruined a bunch of my produce. It's finally coming to be defrosted, but froze my avocado solid, made sodas explode. That one luckily hasn't yet. But yeah, so the fridge freezes items and ruins my produce, and the freezer often doesn't freeze ice even though you give it a overnight. So yeah, I've been renting places since 2010, and this is by far the worst appliances I've ever had.